Hello friends and knife nerds. Today we're going to do a little bit of slice testing with a fifth pocket knife. The Osborne 940 Mini from Benchmade. Let's see what she can do. Cardboard. Very slicey. Let's try some cotton rope. Some cotton nylon blend, about a 1/4 inch. No problem. 1/8 inch paracord. Feathering was a little difficult because of the size of the handle here. It's difficult to get a comfortable grip when you're trying to feather, so not exactly the task for a small knife like this. Let's see how she holds up with some downward pressure. Got a rubber hose here. See how she does with this old rubber glove. I mean, kind of what I expected. It's sharp. We're really getting to the thick of this old glove too, so let's see what we got here. Let's do a nice long cut. Well, friends and knife nerds, the Osborne Mini performed very well today. This will make an excellent fifth pocket knife for anybody. It's pricey, it's about 200 bucks, maybe 180-ish on sale. It's called a fifth pocket knife because it is so small. Anything under 6 inches I would call a fifth pocket knife. That tiny little pocket in your jeans. I mean, it would make a fine EDC knife in anybody's pocket of any size, honestly. Very slicey. Full slice is just even more blade, so more slicing room. So bigger the better, but this little beast performed very well. Very slicey. See you next time, friends.